If you pay close attention to this video tutorial, you'll be able to fix and recover your cell phone in the easiest and fastest way possible, without formatting it, losing data, or resetting it. How are you going to do it? Go here, go to Settings, tap this little gear icon. Let's see, let's start here to see if this actually works. We go, tap here, tap here, tap here. Activate, tap the gear icon. Deactivate, and so on. If we see that this isn't working, then we'll use another method, which is the Q-chair, a specific method. The Q-chair method. What are we going to do? Tap the Q-chair and the gear icon. This has to be done quickly, of course. We have to do it quickly to see if it lets us in. Okay. Little screw, let's do it. Let's do it until it lets us in. At some point, it's going to have an error and let us in. Let's do it again. Pay close attention. Let's hold it then. We'll do it quickly. Let's do it. Let's try again. We'll try it. Let's see quickly. Let's try it. If we see that it's not working, then we'll use Plan B. Because we always have a Plan B, let's try it. Let's try it. We turn it off. We turn it on. We go down. We click here again. It got blocked here, but it worked. Let's try it again. We turn it off. We turn it on. We do it quickly. Here, or we try again. We turn it off. We turn it on. We try again. Let's see. It seems to be working here. Let's do it here. Let's see. We do it here. We turn it off. We turn it on. We click here quickly. But it's kicking us out here. It's not working. So, to complete this, we're going to do the following. We press power button, volume down button at the same time. What we're going to do now is a forced restart. Since it's not working from here, we're going to turn it off. When it shows the logo, hold down the volume down button at the same time. I mean just volume down, and let the phone restart. Let the phone restart on its own. Let's wait here. Pay close attention. Let's wait for the phone to restart here. Don't release the volume down button. Keep holding it. Now, when the phone takes us directly to the home screen, we're going to do the following. Pay close attention. Hold it, don't let go. Don't let go. Don't release the button. Keep holding it. Let's wait here. Here, okay. Yes, we can see that we now have this mode called safe mode. Since we have this safe mode, let's do it again here. Let's do the same thing. We click here and click the gear icon, and that's it. Now that we're here, let's locate the applications option. Now that we have applications here, let's look for the option that blocks screen locks. Let's see. Screen lock. Let's look for it. Let's look for it. Here it is. We click on it and then click here on uninstall. End. Now we can remove this block, this safe mode that we have here. We're going to turn it off. Turn it on. Now what we have to do is restart it. When we restart it, it will be fully recovered.